How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch your Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in or sign into your account. And then tap Profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Here you need to select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Or else you can tap Edit Profile directly and here select the option of pronouns. Once it loads, here you can easily select the language first of all that is convenient for you. For me, it's English. And here you can easily add your pronouns like her, hers, and many more. Once done, tap the tick mark at top right corner of the screen and this will be shown on your profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.